it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I have a mini album flip through to share with you. This is not so mini. This one is 8.5 by 10, and the spine is about 3 3/4, maybe a little closer to 4 inches. And I've used a few Echo Park collections for this, mostly Echo Park Baby Boy. I also used Hello Baby, Little Boy, and Sweet Baby Boy throughout. And I will have a video tutorial showing how I made my inside pockets in another video, not how to make the album itself, because I already have a detailed video on how to make any mini album, but I will show you the specific pages in here, how I made them. So here is an overall look. This book is very heavy. It's very, tons of paper product in it, so it's very heavy. Super cute. So on the front here, I used black because it went really well with all the collections that I used. And I have some ephemera from the paper collection, this adorable giraffe, these adorable little wolves, and then I have some flat back white enamel dots and just another border piece of paper. So when you open it up, this is a baby's first year album. As you know, if you watch my channel, I love making 1-year albums. I will be selling this album. This is not for anyone in particular, so there's no baby's name throughout. But on the front cover here, I did a welcome page. Lots of stuff in here, so let me pull this out. It says, "Welcome little one" on the front pocket. And then I have a milestone card that I designed myself that the mom can put the birth date, the time, weight, height, hospital, and doctor, and add a photo on the back. A large 5x5 journaling card that she can add a 4x4 photo on the back. So this album will hold tons of photos. And then here she can place 4x4 photos, front and back. And then also a flip open where she can add more photos. These will hold 4x6 photos and leave a nice little border around. I just designed all of this in my Silhouette Cameo. It's going to have matching papers throughout. And then each one has a large journaling card. So the mom can, I journaled a lot when my son was a baby, so I like to do that. If the mom doesn't want to journal, she can just put a few things and then add 4x4 photos. She can add large photos on the back as well. She can also add some photos in the pockets too. So for the first month here, let me just leave this back where it was. For the first month, this is has a magnet, so it'll hold it down. The mom on these photo mats can place 4x4 photos. Again, it'll leave a nice little yellow border. And then here is for month 1. It's actually a pocket, so the mom can add more in this if she wants. And again, I designed all these milestone cards. I won't pull them all out, but the mom can place a 4x6 photo on the back of this as well, or journaling with a white pen or silver pen if she wanted. And then she can document height, weight, milestones, what the baby's doing that month, what they did different. And then this adorable journal card fits in there as well. And again, this is for 4x6 photos. Flip it open, 4x4 rather. Flip it open, you have 4x4 here as well. Here is the pocket for this one. It says, "Welcome home, little one." And to this pocket is another flip open photo mat for 4x6 photos. And then here is the journaling for this. The other one said "your birth story." All of these will say love notes. Perfect for more photos, large photos, or tons of journaling. Whatever's going to be easiest on the mom to document the baby's first year. And again, this is magnetized. Every single one will have the exact same bracket style that I designed on my Silhouette Cameo for 4x6 photos on front and back. I won't pull all of those out. So essentially there's 6 pages to this, and this is what I'm going to show on my tutorial, how I made this here. So for month 2, again, I won't pull out the milestone cards, but I'll pull out the little journaling cards since they're so cute. The littlest feet make the biggest footprints on our hearts. Perfect to add a photo to the back. And then flip open, 4x4 photo for the back of these. and here as well. It's the same. And then to this pocket, here it says I'm kind of a big deal. This is, I got this from the online silhouette store. A large 5x5 journaling card for a photo for the back. And here's the flip open photo, 4x6 photos. And I know I have a journaling card for this side as well. I need to put that in here. I left that out. This side we have 3 months. Little Miracle. And then this. Here we have 4 months. And then this one has little footprints with hearts inside the heart. Little Miracle. Love all these colors to this collection, and all these different collections I used go so well together. Here is 5 months. Let me pull this out real quick. Be Your Own Kind of Amazing. And then again, just to reiterate, all of these are the exact same on these pull-out pockets. Here we have 6 months. Four by 4 photos. Follow Your Dreams. The 7-month journaling card. So stinking cute. Again, another silhouette online purchase. Dream Big Little One. Eight. You Are Our Miracle on this starry paper. I love that paper. 9. Milk, Snuggle, Nap, Repeats. I love it with this wood grain paper. Here is 10. I added this on here. This is also from the online store. Here is 11. Look at this adorable little turtle paper. You are amazing, important, special, unique, kind, precious, and loved. Again, that's a purchase from the online silhouette store. And we have 12 months here. The balloons for the baby's first birthday. Perfect for 4x4 photos here. Love this paper, so cute. And then I think we have just the blue behind it. And then look how cute that is for the photo mats. This adorable giraffe. And lastly, we have the happy first birthday little man page. And to this one, again, the mom can add more photos, notes about the baby's first birthday. We also have a happy first birthday. This is where that other one belongs. Happy first birthday, little one. Designed all that in my silhouette studio. And the photo map for this one. Here's another photo map for 4x4 photos, like I have throughout the rest, and then a journaling card. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Check out my channel for a video showing how I made each of these pages. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day.